Did you know there are over 4.8 billion people using social media today? That's more than half the world scrolling, sharing, and connecting every single day. For businesses, this isn't just a statistic, it's an opportunity. But how do you stand out in this massive crowd and truly connect with your audience? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to mastering social media for your business. Before you post anything, ask yourself, who are you talking to? Social media isn't about speaking to everyone. It's about speaking directly to your ideal customer. Who are they? What do they want? What platforms do they use? If you're in B2B, LinkedIn is probably your sweet spot. Selling fashion or beauty? Head to Instagram or TikTok. The clearer you are about your audience, the stronger your connection will be. Here's the thing, you don't need to be everywhere. Focus on platforms that matter to your audience. Facebook is great for community building. Instagram shines with stunning visuals. TikTok dominates short, viral content. And LinkedIn? It's the go-to for professional networking. Less is more when your effort is concentrated in the right place. Here's the secret sauce: value. Your content needs to do more than look pretty. It should educate, inspire, or entertain. Teach your audience something new. Tell stories that resonate emotionally. Hop on trends that align with your brand. And don't forget, video is king. Platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok reward short, snappy, and engaging videos. So get creative. Organic reach can only take you so far. If you want to grow faster, paid ads can help. Target your ideal customer by age, interests, or behavior. A small ad budget can have a big impact if you test what works and optimize as you go. Social media is a two-way street. You're not just posting content, you're starting conversations. Reply to comments, answer messages, and ask questions to keep the dialogue going. Try live streams or webinars to create real-time connections. Remember, followers don't turn into customers by accident. It's all about building relationships. Influencer marketing isn't just a trend. It's one of the fastest ways to gain trust and expand your reach. Find micro-influencers in your niche and collaborate. Whether it's a product review, a shout-out, or a creative unboxing video, influencers can amplify your message to the right audience. Want to generate buzz? Everyone loves free stuff. Contests like tag 3 friends or share this post are easy ways to grow your audience and build excitement. Just make sure your prize is relevant to your business to attract the right people. Social media isn't set and forget it. Track your analytics. What's working? What isn't? Experiment with different types of content, posting times, and ad strategies. Use tools like Instagram Insights or Google Analytics to measure your success. Social media is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. But it's not about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and creativity. So, define your audience, focus on the right platforms, create content that matters, and engage authentically. The results? A loyal, engaged audience and a steady stream of customers for your business. Ready to start? Roll up your sleeves and take that first step. Your audience is out there, waiting to connect with you.